Hello viewers, I'm Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Permutation and Combination Miscellaneous Exercise question number 8. Let's see the question. Determine the number of 5 cards combination out of a deck of 52 cards if each selection of 5 cards has exactly 1 king. So the condition is we are selecting 5 cards from 52 cards and the condition here is exactly 1 king should be there. So from 52 cards we know that there are 4 kings. Yeah, I am taking the kings and the rest of the cards. Your kings will be of 4 kings and the rest 48 will be other than kings. There are 48 cards. In that king I need to select only 1 king. So if I select a king from the 4 cards, my condition here is king. So first I need to select a king. So I am selecting king from 4 kings. I am selecting only 1. The rest, from the rest 48 cards. If I select 1 king and if I put this cards here, I have a possibility of selecting another king from the cards if I put it here. So I need to select a cards from only this 48, so that you will not have any kings. The selection of the card will be 4 because the total number of cards to be chosen is only 5. So I need to select 5 cards. As I have selected 1 king, I need to select the rest 4 cards from the 48 cards. We can't mix this king over here. If I mix the balance king, I will also have a possibility of selecting another king. As it is only 1 king, I have already selected. So remove this king from the pack and from 48 select 4 cards. So total we will have 5 cards with exactly 1 king in it. Now selecting 4 cards, 1 king from 4 cards is 4C1 into 48. C4 will be the total number of ways. Now we'll write the solution. 4C1 is 4. Here it's 48 into 47 into 46 into 45 by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. We'll multiply this 2. Here 45 into 2 is 90. 90 into, I have multiplied 4 into 47 into 46. (188) into 9. As the number is bigger, we can leave by the solution, but anyway I'll solve everything and write the correct answer for the given sum. Yeah, 6 2s are 12, 54, 55, 6 6 are 36, 41, 6 1s are 6, 10. 4 2s are 8, 9 4s are 36, 6 4s are 24, 4 1s are 4. So 2, it is 7 7 8 3 2 1 2 and a 0. These are the total number of ways of selecting 1 king and the rest 4 cards from the pack of 52 cards. That's all with the sum. Thank you.